Global Handwriting Day is celebrated annually on January 23 to promote the art and importance of handwriting in a digital age. Established by the Writing Instruments Association, this day emphasizes the value of handwritten communication and encourages individuals to appreciate the skills involved in writing by hand. Handwriting plays a crucial role in cognitive development, as it helps enhance memory, fine motor skills, and creativity. Studies have shown that writing by hand can lead to better retention of information compared to typing, making it an essential skill in education and everyday life. Global Handwriting Day encourages people to take a break from their screens and engage in the tactile experience of writing, whether through journaling, note-taking, or creative writing. On this day, schools, organizations, and communities often organize events such as handwriting competitions, workshops, and demonstrations to celebrate this timeless skill. Participants are encouraged to share their handwritten notes and letters on social media, promoting the joy of personal expression through writing. In a world increasingly dominated by technology, Global Handwriting Day serves as a reminder of the beauty and significance of handwritten communication, inspiring individuals to embrace this art form and its many benefits for personal and academic growth.